Hello guys, in this video I want to show you an under 8 digit strategy that is very simple and easy to understand. Okay, so if you don't have a strategy yet, consider watching this video so that you can learn a new strategy that can help you begin your trading journey. Okay, so first of all, what do we do after creating your Deriv account? You will find yourself on this interface. Okay, this is a new interface of Deriv. So upon arriving on this interface, you will see different trading types. There is rise and fall, accumulators, multipliers, turbo, vanillas, higher and lower, touch and no touch, matches and differs, over and under, even and odd. But our interest today, it is over and under. To be specific or to be precise, we are going to do under 8 strategy. Under 8 strategy is one of the profitable strategies for beginners, especially with a high win rate. Okay, and that's why it is I advise every beginner, if you must start trading digit trading, you need to start with under 8. Okay, under 8 is quite easy, then its payout is quite nice as compared to under 9 or over 0. Okay, so how do we trade under 8? Now under 8 and over 1, they are quite similar, though under 8 is just you begin from the other side, or from 9. Okay, but from over 1 you begin from 0. Okay, now this is the condition that need to be met for you to trade under 8. Now what are those conditions? After landing on this page, you will see these digits that are moving there. Okay, that shows that this is the real site of Deriv. This is not a third-party website. Then there is these buttons here. Make sure that this button is set to under, like that. Okay, then there is this white button on this digit. Okay, make sure this one is set to 8, like that. Okay, now after making sure that this is set to 8, come to duration here. Duration, make sure that is set to 1 tick. Okay, yeah, you need to consider this condition. These are the main condition. Then on staking, I recommend that if you're a beginner and you are trading on real account, you stake 1 to 2% of your account. Okay, but rather if you just found a strategy, don't go with it on a real account. First go on a demo account, backtest it for 10 days, then you can see how it is working, then you can go on your real account to start trading them. So on real account, just 1 to 2% is enough. Okay, do not over risk. Another thing, these are the other condition. Now for you to trade this strategy, okay, make sure that the red appearing button, the red appearing digit, I mean, okay, it's 1. Then the green appearing digit is also 1. Okay, and this digit should not be on digit 8 or digit 9, both red and green. Okay, now after ensuring that, another thing, okay, make sure that the red appearing digit is on these lower digits. Lower digits are from 5 to 9. Okay, then the green appearing digit should be on upper digits. Upper digits are from 0 to 4. Okay, in our case now, the green appearing digits, the green appearing digit is on upper digits. Okay, which is okay, but the red appearing digit is on 8, and our condition says that both of them should not be on 8 or 9. Okay, so let's change our volatility and look for the volatility that suits our condition. Okay, now let's go to volatility 101s and see. This one is manipulated actually, so let's go and look for another one. Yes, now this one is better because there is one red and one green digit. Okay, and both the digits are not on 9 and 8. The upper digit, the green digit is on upper digits. Okay, then the red digit is on lower digit. So this condition is met. So our entry point, make sure that this appearing digit here is appearing consistently on over 8 digit. It is not touching 8 or 9 consistently. Okay, maybe it should appear consistently on those upper digits, that is 7 to 0, like 3 times before you could click buy. Okay, so that's our condition. So let's wait and see. 2, 3, like that. That's a win. Now let's wait again. It has touched 1, 2, 3, buy. You see that is working perfectly. So make sure that This digits that is appearing up here, it's appearing consistently on over 8 digits. That means it is not touching 8 or 9 for at least 3 times, okay? So it should touch 0 to 7 for at least 3 times, but not 8 and 9, okay? Then you click enter. Now, another thing that most beginners maybe you don't know is that every strategy has a loss, okay? Every other strategy, even with the strategy with the high probability win rate, has a loss. But now the problem comes that when you face those losses, you find out that when you face one loss, that's the beginning of blowing your account, which should not be the case, okay? Now, if you want to learn how you can recover these losses and maintain your profit as a beginner trader, I request you to join my Telegram channel. There we learn how to recover these losses very quickly, okay? So let's see you in the next video.